So in order to set this tile, I'm going to cut out the metal corner bead right here so I can push that tile under the drywall. That way I don't have to trim it. The other tiles to the right of this guy I'll trim, but otherwise I'll have to cut it L-shape something in there. So I'm going to cut that corner bead out. That tile will go forward. Alright, just got to cut out of there. So I'll pull that out of there now. So now I can set this tile without having to do a cut. The tiles to the right, I'll cut them because they'll be going up against here. So now I'm going to patch this hole on the exterior wall from where the new drain line for the kitchen sink was run. This is behind a water heater, and I'll use my favorite patch material, Bondo. Now I've got that outside hole patched. And given the fact that it's behind the water heater, I'm not going to worry about painting it. I'm laying the slate tiles. I'm encountering a lot of misalignment. Maybe it's because I'm in a hurry because the mortar sets up so fast. Or these tiles may not be uniform in their dimensions. They're definitely not uniform in height. Here's an example where this grout is, that's way too wide there. But so I'm going to widen the grout line here. It'll ameliorate that. I got one over on the other side there too I got to take care of. Let's get this guy going here. It's a little better. Not quite enough.